Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you a few very simple DIY Valentine's Day decor ideas for your home using items from the dollar store. I shopped at my local dollar store, which is called the Dollarama here in Canada. The first DIY I'm going to show you is a simple heart banner. So I found these wooden heart plaques at Dollarama, and I also found this twine at Dollarama as well. And rather than hanging these hearts right off the twine like this, they wouldn't hang right that way, so I'm just cutting smaller pieces of twine and I'm going to tie them together like this. So what I did was I put some command hooks on my mantle on the left and the right, and then I tied a long piece of that dollar store twine to each of the hooks. I'm just using simple square knots to attach my twine to the hooks. Next, I took my dollar store wooden heart plaques and the smaller pieces of twine, and I'm tying the wooden heart plaques to the large piece of twine using a square knot and then a bow. You might have to adjust the tension of the long piece of twine after you start attaching the hearts because they might pull the twine down. And then I'm just evenly spacing the hearts across the twine like this. I used 5 hearts for my banner, but you can use as many as you like. You could also paint these hearts or add something to them. I was considering embellishing them somehow, but eventually I just liked how they looked natural and rustic. So here's a closer look at how I tied these onto the twine. I'm just tying them on with a square knot, and then I'm finishing the look off with a bow for a country rustic look. Here's how the banner looks, and I'm going to show you how I created my full Valentine's mantle at the end of this video. The next dollar store DIY I want to show you is this really sweet heart accent. I found this wicker heart at Dollarama. I thought it was really cute and bought it in a couple sizes. And I also found these faux flowers at the dollar store as well. And I was actually really impressed with the quality of them. I'm gonna do another DIY with these flowers next week, and I hope you're gonna stick around for that as well. I also found some greenery from the dollar store, and I'm just cutting it up into pieces that are short and manageable, and I'm arranging the flowers onto this wicker heart and securing them with a glue gun. So this is where I like to play with my arrangements when I use faux flowers. I just sort of like to move things around even when the glue is hot so that I end up liking what I've created. And don't be afraid to put something somewhere, and if you don't like it, just take it out and move it. That's the nice thing of using just smaller dabs of glue, is that you have the opportunity to move things around if you need to. So I just kept this really simple with 3 flowers and a little bit of greenery on the top and bottom. And I just wanted to embellish one side of this heart to give it a really delicate and romantic look. Once I was all happy with my design, I just let the whole thing dry. And here's what I did with my mantle for Valentine's Day this year. I just like to decorate a couple of areas in my home for Valentine's Day. My girls love the holiday, so do I, so why not? May as well celebrate love, and I love pink as well, so that was the accent of choice I used in my decor. So I put this really sweet heart up on the mantle. I have this artwork that I got from William Ray Designs, and then I really like how that rustic heart dollar store banner looks on the mantle. And then I'm just using some things I had on hand already. So candlesticks from IKEA and the brick, and then some votive holders that I got at my grocery store. And I'm also throwing in some votive holders I found at the Dollar Tree as well. They're just some pink mercury glass ones, and I found them at Christmas time, and I think they still have them there now. So here's how my Valentine's Day mantle looks this year with the DIY dollar store accents. Next, I want to show you how I made a really sweet tiered tray with lots of dollar store accents. So here are those pink mercury glass votive holders I found at the Dollar Tree. There's a smaller wicker heart I found at Dollarama. I also found a really sweet little white ceramic votive holder. It's almost like a little lantern from the Dollarama. And some more faux florals that I found. I'm really picky with my faux florals, and I was pleasantly surprised this year with what they had at Dollarama for flowers that I could use for Valentine's Day and spring. I also found this pink sparkly ribbon at Dollarama, and I added it to the top of my tiered tray to give it a romantic look. This candy was also from the dollar store, just some sweet little conversation heart candies, and I added that to some of the plates on my tiered tray. So here's the finished look of my Valentine's Day themed tiered tray. Really simple, romantic. My girls think it also looks like it could be a spring themed tiered tray. So we're just crossing our fingers that spring comes soon here. Usually it doesn't. Usually it snows for a couple more months, but we can hope and we can enjoy these really sweet spring colors. Now I want to show you how I decorated the rest of our living room for Valentine's Day. I'm just adding some themed pillows and throws, and I just arranged some more fake flowers on the tray on our coffee table. So just little touches of pink and romantic things everywhere in our living room just to give it a sweet vibe. I'm basically just reusing things that I had in the fall and at Christmas time and just moving them around to create a new look. I love doing that when I don't want to buy tons of stuff. So between the inexpensive dollar store items and just moving some things around in our home that I had already, I think our living room turned out really cute and it looks ready for Valentine's Day. I'll make sure to leave a link to everything that you can find online from our living room down in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. And I hope you enjoyed this Valentine's Day DIY decor video with items from the dollar store. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like DIY and decor ideas, and I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye!